I'm Jacob Peachbone. I'm going to be showing you some of my autographs that I got. I spent much time for getting these. My aunt got me most of them. This one right here, this is an autograph of the cheerleaders, the Reading
Express.
No, it's the Reading baseball team. They got me those, the Reading Phillies. These two balls and this one right here, they're autographs of, show them this one. This one right here and these two, they're autographs from Reading Phillies players. Then the one in the far back here, that's an autograph of the Philadelphia Phillies baseball players in the 1999, pretty sure. Then over here, we have a David Akers on the Eagles, David Akers autographed. And then over here, I'm going to be showing you some, I'm going to be telling you names. I got a whole entire Eagles set of autographs. Right here is Jaquay Parker, Brent Selleck, Trevor Laws, Alex Henry, Todd Herrens, Jason Peters, Mike Patterson, Asante Samuel, Vince Young, Michael Vick, Jason Babin, Colin Jenkins, Jason Avant, Jeremy Macklin, Jared Page, Jamar Chanley, LaShawn McCoy, John Darrenballs, Akeem Jordan, Dominic Rogers Cromartie, Reggie Wells, Steve Smith, Casey Matthews, Jaquay Jarrett, Donnie Watkins, Nate Allen, Mose Foca, Winston Justice, Kurt Coleman, Chase Henry, Ronnie Brown, Nami Asawa, Trent Cole, then the best punt returner in the world, Deshaun Jackson.
Where?
Okay?
Where's Deshaun?
Deshaun's right here. And over here, my aunt got me an autograph of True Holiday from the 76ers. I went to a game for Christmas. Over here, I have a couple Eagles autographs, and I send most of them over here. Then I have this. Then I have a Brent Selleck autographed. And over here, I did a little project in school, and we were doing a college project. I did Oregon because they're my favorite football team. And I got this bag of autograph from Chip Kelly, the head coach of Oregon. So that's only if you go to my school. Then another one is a WWE wrestler, John Cena. I don't know if you guys know him, but he's a really good wrestler. So if you watch WWE, you guys will know him. If you don't, then you don't. Okay? So thank you for watching my video. By the way, I'm Jacob Peachbone. The host is Joshua Hoke. Okay? See ya.